Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is April 18 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Novak as usual. First, let's have a look on 5-minute chart for analyzing yesterday's transactions. Yesterday, euro tested 1.0974 when the MACD line was just starting to go below zero, which was a good reason to sell. This resulted in a price decrease of over 30 pips and more. Euro fell on Monday, indicating that markets ignored the speeches made by ECB representatives. The movement was a continuation of the correction that many expected for quite some time. Today, buyers may return to the market as relatively good macroeconomic statistics are expected in the morning. Germany and the Eurozone's Business Sentiment Index and Present Situation Index will be decisive, in which good numbers will lead to a more solid surge of euro upwards. This will allow the currency to recover from its losses yesterday. In the afternoon, real estate market reports will be released from the US, namely the volume of building permits issued and the number of new foundations laid. If the indicators show a decrease, pressure on dollar will escalate, resulting in another rise in euro. The speech of FOMC member Michelle Bowman will be of little interest, but traders should still anticipate and listen to it. Long positions, buy euro when the quote reaches 1.0956 and take profit at the price of 1.0982. Growth may occur after very good statistics from Germany and the Eurozone. However, before buying, traders should make sure that the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Euro can also be bought at 1.0933, but the MACD line should be in an oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0956 and 1.0982. For short positions, sell euro when the level of 1.0933 is reached, and take profit at the price of 1.0906. Pressure may return at any moment, especially amid good real estate market reports. However, make sure that before selling, MACD line is below zero or is starting to move down from it. Euro can also be sold at 1.0956, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0933 and 1.0906. The next stage of our review is the next major. Pound-dollar pair, Sebastian Seliger describes. The GBP-USD pair has made a new swing high seen at the level of 1.2545, and it's currently developing the corrective cycle. The market dropped 1.54% below the 50 and 100 MA at the level of 1.2390. The intraday technical support is seen at the level of 1.2343. and the intraday technical resistance is seen at 1.2446. The momentum on H4 timeframe chart is weak and negative, which is typical for correction. When the corrective cycle is done, the next target for bulls is seen at 61% Fibonacci retracement, located at the level of 1.2778. The key short-term technical support is seen at the price of 1.2269. Gold, sweet gold. Petar Yukimowicz has a trading plan for this commodity asset. Let's have a look. Gold has been downside yesterday, but we found rejection of the key support at the price of 1982, which is a good sign for further rally. Due to rejection of the key support zone in the background and upside cycle, Petar sees potential for the further growth on the gold. Upside objectives are set at the price of 2014 and 2042. MACD oscillator is showing decreasing in the bear reading, which is a sign that sellers are losing power and the buyers are coming. The key support level is set at the price of 1982. And finally, here's Lowry Bailey with AUD-USD pair forecast. Having traded in a range of about 40 points, at the end of Monday, the Australian dollar closed almost at the level of Friday's close. The balance line acted as a support for the price on the 24-hour view. Consolidating below this line will mean a shift towards short positions in the medium term. The signal line of the Marlin oscillator is directed strictly to the right, consolidating for a bit before it falls sharply, as the most likely option for the oscillator's further development. The AUD-USD pair is aiming for 0.6670, 0.6628, and 0.6567, March 10th low. We have received good macro data from China this morning, and it seems to be slowing down the Aussie's decline. China's GDP for first quarter showed growth against unexpected numbers. On the 4-hour chart, the price has settled below the MACD indicator line, but it's still above the balance indicator line. The Marlin oscillator is falling in the area of negative values. We have the downtrend, but it's not final. We expect the Aussie to gradually fall. That's all for today. See you online soon. Good luck.